Are you crabby? Do you have sand in your pants? Why do you have sand in your pants? That's fine.
It's raining on July 31st. But I'm fine. I'm good.
Crabby, this one. Cheer up, Charlie.
I know. After 28 hours of 2 days worth of boating, we finally arrived here at the Tofino Marina and Resort, which is it's probably our favorite spot that we've ever come to by boat. Really probably our favorite spot that we've ever come to anywhere, by car, plane, or boat. It's an amazing place, and this marina is one of the best marinas out here. It's actually one of the only ones, but it's got great amenities, a wonderful restaurant or two, fitness center, and just it's in the middle of what you would imagine when you dream of British Columbia. So we can't wait to get the day started. There's so much to do here. We have some hiking to do, beach surfing, fishing, exploring, hiking, bear watching. Everything under the sun is here for you, and we can't wait to get the next few days started and exploring through this beautiful destination. We pulled in last night at about 9 o'clock, and it was perfect timing because it was slack tide. And one thing you need to know before you come here is the tides through here all the way. So in front of me is the Pacific Ocean, and then you can go all the way back through some inlets and channels, and the current is incredibly wild, or strong, I should say. So when you come, you always have to time it perfectly with the current. Come during slack tide, and if you don't come during slack tide, you can go back through that into a bay back there and anchor for the night and wait until slack the next day.
My brother's birthday the other day.
Oh, 26th or today?
It was the 26th.
Oh, wish him a happy birthday.
Will do. Oh, happy birthday, Ryan.
Tell him you're sorry for missing his birthday.
I'm sorry for missing your birthday.
Damn it, we missed Beth's birthday. We missed everyone's birthday.
We won't let it happen again.
Happy birthday, Ryan and Beth.
Happy birthday.
Crap. We actually forgot everybody's birthday. We forgot the nieces' birthdays too. So, Elena, happy birthday. Beth, happy birthday. Ryan, happy birthday. Sienna, happy birthday. Oh, geez. Too busy exploring. Good time? You having a good time, buddy? This beautiful beach. You gotta be safe without your life jacket. I know. Oh, so gorgeous here, isn't it? All set. You get enough swimming in? Where's the little mister? So we busted the scooters out and we are headed over to the beach to soak up some sun, maybe bust the drone out, get some cool footage of their beautiful beaches here. And while we were coming up the hill from the marina, Sean stubbed his toe pretty bad and it was nasty. It looked like he lost half his big toe. So he's down at the boat getting a Band-Aid and I'm manning the scooters up here before we hopefully head to the beach and enjoy a beautiful day here in Tofino. Yeah.
So you just go to your boat. So you're not drive over here, okay, drive over there, come back over here. So
Did you have to perform surgery?
Yeah, I had to cut the skin and I had to clean it.
Oh, wow.
I had to pack some extra stuff because I probably have to redo it in another half hour.
Get your dressing refitted?
I was thinking about amputating.
I love how you're like limping. And...
Well, I don't want to like. Usually when you walk, you put so much pressure on your
big toe.
On your big toe, and it's weird to walk and not the pressure on your big toe.
Already though, you think you'll be okay on the scooter?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to walk. I'll have to use the scooter for everything.
Oh boy, I might have to get you that nurse like we've talked about. All right, let's boogie. So plan B, we came to Chesterman Beach. We left MCKENZIE Beach and this is where we were 2 years ago when we went surfing. Actually, we're still one beach down, but this is a much better beach for surfing. Lots of good waves. Today it's still pretty light wind, but you still get some fun waves for us to have a little fun in. And I mean, the sand in the water, it just goes on and on and on. This place is just amazing. So can't wait to get in the water. I have to say, I think the beaches in Tofino are the best beaches in the world. I've never been to a beach with this type of sand. It's not fluffy, but it's soft. It goes on forever. There's beach after beach after beach here. The water is somewhat warm. It's probably in the low 60s. Good waves, amazing scenery. Caribbean, Mexico, East Coast, West Coast. I don't think any beach beats Tofino. Pretty amazing. Sean, how's your toe doing?
I think it's gonna make it.
Are you gonna live?
Yeah.
We don't have to cut your foot off?
A scooter injury. I know you bought helmets and all, but you should have bought steel-toed shoes.
I know, we didn't even wear our helmets.
The helmet's comfortable if I like wrap it and put a sock over it and wear shoes so we can hike.
Oh, of course. You did that on purpose, didn't you? Because you just don't want to go hiking.
You caught me.
I'll wrap it up just fine.
Sounds good.
After a few hours of soaking up some much-needed sun at the beach, it was time to scoot back to the boat to grab the dogs and hit up our two favorite spots for lunch, the Asian Eatery and Tofino Licks, located just down Campbell Street.
Okay. Right on. Thank you.
Awesome. So seemingly simple prawn tails, but they're the best prawn tails with chili, lime, salt, pepper, and a great way to reuse stuff that normally gets thrown away. So awesome. Love it. What are they? What flavor?
Mulan is like an Asian barbecue. With some fresh ginger on it.
Best stuff you've ever eaten?
Yeah, pretty amazing.
Alright.
Cookie-o sounds good. Let's just get one of everything.
I think so.
Okay, here you
Awesome. Thank you. Wow.
are.
Bigger than I thought.
Good luck. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Tasty.
It's really.
Got my vegan chocolate melting. Better start getting to work here. Is this place the best?
Mm-hmm.
So I guess we wouldn't appreciate the sun if we didn't get a little rain every once in a while. And the sun sure was in a hurry to leave us with rain and fog as we ventured to our next destination, an anchorage at Kennedy Cove, located a few miles east of Tofino. Doesn't matter when you're in a Nordhavn and you're nice and cozy in the pilot house. Nice and warm?
Yep.
Nice and warm, cozy. It's a doozy out there.
It is. It's quite the soaker.
Quite the summertime up here in the Pacific Northwest.
Yeah. This is summer.
Yeah, summer.